Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, June the 9th. The time is around 1:30 a.m. GMT. Today we're going to be looking at the chart of the XJO. This is ASX 200 Australian Index 30 minutes chart here. We can see that uh, the index continues to rally higher here and currently within this wave 5 in the minor degree, right, which subdivides into a 5 waves, 1 2 here, and then now within wave 3 of 5. So a few more highs can be expected. Well, at least in the very short term, it looks to be missing one more, like here, 1 2 3 4 5. Then once this is finished, it's gonna finish 5 in blue and also 3 in black, and then do a pullback, 4 in black, and one more push higher, 5 in black, to finish 5 in red, and we'll see a larger pullback after that. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple of things here. First of all, let's zoom out a little bit. Just remember, this is a wave 4 right here in the minor degree. If I zoom out on the daily chart, so this is the same wave 4 we saw in the 30 minutes chart. So that will be your wave 3 here, and this is likely 2 and 1. This one you can see clear, is looking like a 5-way subdivision here. So we got basically a cycle that started from January 29. Okay, so we are going to end that cycle soon, right? Soon. You already can see a 5 ways up, clear 5 swing, and so we could be ending this cycle pretty soon. Now, of course, you said there is an overlap. Could be a diagonal from somewhere. Right now, we don't show all the full labels, but you can see the full labels in all time frame in the member area. You can always try our service, 14 days free. The link is provided in the description of the video. So here we should be ending this wave 5 pretty soon. Then we should be ending this cycle and then start doing slightly larger pullback in 3 or 7 11 swing. Right now, shorter cycle, like we explained here, we could continue to see a few more high, but it is getting a little risky to keep chasing to the upside. Now, in fact, if we want to, we could have labeled this slightly different, right? Slightly different. You could move around some of the count, and then let's say we can do it something like this, right? We could do it something like this. For example, this is just another alternate, which is also perfectly fine, discount, right? So you can be doing something like this, and then you upgrade this to the blue, right? 1 2 3 4 5, like so. And with this proposed alternate, what happened is this is your 3, right? And this is your 4. And then you could potentially already in the final 5 of 5, which should be ending not really that far away to the upside. Yeah, we can see maybe 1 2 more high, but it is pretty close, right? It is pretty close, and then from there we could see larger pullback, right? So as a result, at this point, unless the market actually starts to accelerate even further, right, accelerates even further like this, and maybe erase all sort of divergence. Now there is still a a tiny divergence right here. If the divergence erase, there is a possibility that in fact this could be a nest 1 2 1 2, right? It could be a nest, or it might be ending something like this, and then it's already starting a new bullish cycle, right? So so we got two possibilities. Either we are in this ending with 5 and is going to end this cycle soon and do bigger pullback. If this is the primary view, obviously, because we are calling for here. In this primary view, I think it will be risky to chase the shorter cycle at this point because it could be ending any moment, right? And better wait for this 5 ways to finish and pull back. Now the alternate is that if the market starts to continue to go up, because remember the right side is to the upside. Now I got a question from the chart of the day yesterday. Oh, because we're going to be ending 5 ways, is this a short? No, you don't pick a top in a bullish market, right? We don't do that. So best because it can keep extending higher as much as it wants. That's the reason. The trend is your friend, and we keep saying about that, but we never really do anything about it, right? So we got this 5 ways up, and if the divergence, if the momentum starts to get very strong and erase everything, then you change this into a nest, and then continue to go up in a more impulsive way. So it's going to be accelerating actually if the divergence is getting erased. All right, so we have to wait which one plays out. For now, this is the more conservative view with the 5 ways up ending soon. If so, then risky to chase, waiting for the bigger pullback. Then maybe we can look again after the bigger pullback, right? Overall, I think there's no need to be said. Everything is bullish, right? Everything is bullish. You can see indices continues to make a high, new high, and so on. There is no need for you to be a hero and trying to pick the top. All right, so that's it, and I'll see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.